Hi, my love. So what you need to go and get are your number cards and 2 crayons. I just picked gray and green. So just pick 2 crayons and you need your number cards. So pause me so you can go get these things. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our number cards in order. So I'm going to bend this down so you can see. And you can push your crayons away because you don't need them right away. We are going to put our number cards in order. So we got to lay them all out and put them in order. So you can do this, set them all out. We'll put them in order together. Okay. What number goes first when we are counting? Yep, number 1. So we're going to put number 1 first. We always start over here on the left. Okay, over here on the left. 1 goes first. What goes second? 1, 2. Find your number 2. Put your number 2 next. Remember, we mixed them up on purpose, so it makes our brains think to put them in order. 1, 2, what goes next? 3, we gotta find number 3. Halfway around, around again. Number 3 goes next. Okay, 1. I always start over to count because that helps my brain. You do it too. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is number 4? Here it is. Put number 4 next. Okay, count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The one with the hat on the top. Okay, let's start again. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this number 6? No, it's number 9. They look a little bit the same. Number 6? Number 6? Okay, let's count again. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is number 7? Right here. Okay, count again with me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Crazy 8. Crazy 8's easy to remember. Count with me. Here we go. We're almost done. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Circle in a line. Make number 9. And where does 0 go? Over here? No. 0 means nothing. So it's smaller than 1. Okay, now you are going to use your crayons. What I want you to do, we're not going to color on the numbers. Are you going to color on the numbers? No. What I want you to do is just take one of your crayons. It doesn't matter which one, just take one. You can have any color. You could have picked 2 colors. I want you to put 1 crayon on number 1. The other crayon I want you to grab, and you are going to put it on number 4. If we were at school, you'd be using Lincoln Cubes, but I can't send these home with you, can I? So I thought, what do they all have at home that they can use? Crayons. So, my sweets, I want you to look. What numbers are in between 1 and 4? Which numbers do you see in between 1 and 4? Or in between means in the middle. Who's in the middle of 1 and 4? You can tell me number 2 and number 3. You got it. 2 and 3 are both in between, in the middle of 1 and 4. Okay, I want you to take your crayons off carefully so you don't leave marks on your color, on your paper. All right, next I want you to put one of your crayons on number 7 Where's number 7? I hope you beat me to it. And I want you to put your other crayon on number 5. Where's number 5? I want you to tell me which number card is in between, in the middle of 5 and 7. Who is in between 5 and 7? Curly number 6. You got it. Say 6 is in between. 6 is in between 5 and 7. 5 and 7. Good. Okay, carefully take your crayons off. Put them back on the table. I want you to put one crayon on number 9. Where's 9? Good. And I want you to put your other crayon on number 6. Curly number 6. What number cards are in between 6 and 9? What number cards are in between 6 and 9? Who do you see in the middle? In between. Yeah. What number is this? 7, and this one is crazy 8. You got it. Okay, one more time. Take your crayons off carefully so you don't mess up your cards in order. And I want you to put one of your crayons on 0. Then I want you to put one of your crayons on 4. Ooh, Mrs. Birch is getting tricky. Okay, who is in between? Tell me who is in between 0 and 4. What number cards are in between 0 and 4? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3 are all in between 0 and 4, aren't they? They're in the middle of those two. Good. Okay, I want you to take your crayons off. I'm going to go put these away, but in a little bit. So I'm just going to push them away up here because I don't need them. Now, we're going to play that game where I tell you a number and you're going to put it in your hand, okay? And we're going to make a stack. We're going to mix them all up. So the next time we have to put them in order because that makes our brain learn how to put them in order when we do it over and over and over. So our brain learns. I want you to put the number 7 in your hand. Where's the number 7? Do you see it? 5, 6, ding, ding, ding. Put this one in your hand, just like me. All right, next I want you to put the number 2. Nine. Where's number 9? A circle and a line. Make number 9. Right here. Put 9 in your hand. Okay. Then I want you to do number 4. Where's number 4? Right here. Put number 4 in your hand. And then were you paying attention? Did you hear me whisper? Number 1. Then I want you to do curly number 6, like my hair. Curly number 6. Then I want you to do crazy 8. Crazy 8. And then I want you to do 3. Do number 3. And then 5. And 0. Okay, I want you to put these back in your baggie so they stay nice and safe. So you can practice putting them in order again. And then you also have them for the next time you need them for our math lesson. All right. My sweets. What we are going to do is you are going to go, you're going to take out your packet, you're going to take out your crayons and your pencil. Packet, crayon, pencil. Okay, ready? You can pause me if you need time to get those things. You can go grab those things now. All right, my love, so I have my packet. It says Tuesday, just like yours. You colored this page so neatly with Miss Ott, and I cannot wait to see yours. We're going to turn to the next page, and it should say 17A. We're going to do this one. So I have mine already up. 17A, I'll show you one more time after Tuesday. Please write your name at the top and then stop. So don't go on, just write your name and then park your pencil. Go. Ooh. There's a magnet right under there. So if my name looks sloppy, it's not intentional. There's a magnet under there that's making it tricky to write my name. There we go. There was a mommy who printed me off pictures a couple years ago. So I still have those up. All right, my love, so you parked your pencil. What number is that? A 1 and a 6. It's a teen number. I'm going to grab my number line. You have yours. So if you don't know, you can count with me. So we could start all the way at the beginning, but I think we know this number. What number comes after 9? 8, 9, 10. All right, so we need to go to a 1 and a 6 over here. So I'm going to put my finger there. We need to find out what number that is. So count with me. We're going to start at 10. Ready? Set. Go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's the number 16. So a 1 and a 6 makes 16. What you're going to do is you're going to trace these two 16s and then park your pencil. Go. Make sure you keep your pencil right on those gray lines. Just like your daddy and your mommy and your granny keep their car on the road. Your pencil stays on the road. Park your pencil. You know what I'm going to ask you. Which number gets the chocolate chip? The number 1. Then your 6 is going to go right after it. And then this next chocolate chip is going to be the number 1. And then your 6. So my loves, take your pencil. You're going to write 16 2 times, super carefully and neatly. Your 1 goes top to bottom. Your 6 slant on down. Curl up to the middle line. Make sure it doesn't look like a B. This line is not straight. Okay, it needs to be curved. Then your 1, then your 6. Slant on down and give it a curl. Park your pencil. Giving you time to fix that and erase it if you didn't go up to the middle line. Erase it, it's okay. Then you can pick up your pencil. We're going to make a line in between this last 1 and 6. Do you see how my line sticks up further? That gives me space to write my T on one side and my O on the other. So how many 10s are in the number 16? Which number is in the 10s place? How many full 10s? The 1 or the 6? Who's in the 10s place? The 1. So we're going to make a T on top. 1, 10, 10. And how many 1s? How many little extras? Yeah, 6. So we're going to write the letter O. You got it. Write the letter O. All right, park your pencil. It is story time. Here we go. It says, ooh, this person has 2 dogs. 2 dogs were playing in Tony's yard. I have 2 dogs. Draw a picture to show the dogs. All right, how many dogs are we going to draw? I'm going to help you. Is this art class? So we're just going to draw their little faces. We're not going to draw their whole bodies, okay? Because this is just math. So take your pencil. I want you to make 2 circles for 2 heads. Then doggies each have ears, right? Some doggies have pointy ears. Some have droopy, loopy ears. So if you want your doggies to have pointy ears, you can make pointy ears on your doggies. If you want your doggies to have the droopy ears, you can just make ovals on the sides of their heads. There, my doggies have these kinds of ears. But some doggies have those kinds of ears. Doggies have eyes, so I'll make 2 eyes on each head. And then, if you know how to make a triangle, an upside down triangle, you can make a nose. So watch, I just make a straight line, and then I make a V. A letter V goes down, up. There's their nose. So you're gonna make 2 upside down triangles for their noses. Straight line, down, up. Straight line, down, up. Then you can give them a little smile if you want. There, that's it. We're not gonna draw more. Park your pencil. Give you time to finish that if you haven't. We drew the dogs, right? Then it says, your pencil's parked. 3 more dogs came to play. Whoa! Sometimes I have people over with their doggies. Mrs. Strong, the 5K teacher, sometimes she brings her puppy over to play with mine. They must be having a doggy play date. So 3 more dogs came. So before I draw 3 more puppies, what do I need to put on my paper? I need to make a line. So my brain knows, oh, I got more. So I'm going to draw the line. Then it says, how many more doggies? Got to be listening. 3. So draw 3 more heads. And then remember, you're going to make pointy or droopy ears. And they each have 2 eyes. And they each have a triangle upside down nose. So a line first, and then a V. And then their cute little smiles. They're happy puppies. They're playing together. Park your pencil. Giving you time to finish. If you're already done, that's okay. Sometimes we have to wait in school for other people to finish too. Being patient is part of being a good classmate. All right, then it says, how many dogs are playing in Tony's yard now? I don't know, let's count them all. Take your finger count with me. Touch and count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many dogs are playing in his yard? 5. So we're going to write a 5 on this little line. Under where you drew your 3 doggies, you're going to make a 5. Down and around. Give it a hat. Mark your pencil. Ooh, the next one is just what we did with our number cards. It says write the numbers between 6 and 9. Ooh. 6. Oh, there's their cute little comma. Saying there's a little space. Number, comma, space for a number, comma, 9. So what I want you to do is take your name tag. We need to find 6 and 9. So I want you to take, you're going to use both of your hands, okay? Here. I'm going to scooch closer and you can see what I'm doing. All right, scooched you closer. Sorry, it's wiggly. It's done wiggling. I just wanted to show you with both of my hands. So you're going to show me your 2 fingers. You're going to put, it says, let me scooch you up a little bit. We need to put 1 finger on number 6. So put your finger under number 6. The other number says 9, so put your other finger under 9. What number are we going to write right after 6? After 6 comes 7. So take your pencil. Right after 6, 6 comes 7. Park your pencil. You're going to take your 2 fingers again. Put your 1 finger in number 6. Put your other finger in number 9. So what comes after 7? 6, 7. What's the other number in the middle? Crazy 8. So do not make a snowman. You're going to make an S and go back home. All right, I will keep you this close. I'm going to slide this over. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. It's just like when we count, right? All right, let me slide that over there. I'm going to scoot you back just a little bit. All right, you can park your pencil, and it says color the pennies brown. So you need to take out your brown. Are we going to color it all the way across? No. Each little penny. Are these all pennies? Yeah. Abraham Lincoln, Lincoln Memorial. Abraham Lincoln, Lincoln Memorial, Abraham Lincoln. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. You got it. Color each penny brown. Make sure you're staying in the lines, filling in the white spaces. Hope you're doing a neat, careful job. Your pennies are littler than mine, so if you finish before me, you can park your crayon and just wait for me, okay? You have a smaller paper than I do. All right. This is quite the arm workout. Coloring on something that's like up. All right. Whew. Colored all my pennies. I said to park the brown. Nothing in your hands. It says, how many pennies did you color? I don't know. Let's count. Count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pennies? Take your pencil. You are going to write 5 on that little line right here. Down and around. And give it a hat. Park your pencil. It says, how many shapes are in each row? Write the number in front of each row. Rows go side to side, right? Let's count how many triangles. Ready? Touch and count with me. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to write the number 4 right here in front of each row. So take your pencil. You're going to write the number 4. Make sure it sits on that line. You don't want to go underneath, okay? Because then you're going to be getting into the next space where you have to write your next number. Park your pencil. What shape is this? Circle. Count the circles. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Take your pencil. You're going to write the number 3 halfway around and around again. Park your pencil. Holy moly, look at those. There's a ton of them. What are those? Yeah, they're squares. You got it. Touch and count with me. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Crazy 8. No snowman 8s, okay? Make an S and go back home. Right, then it says we need to take out 2 colors, red and blue. Go, take out your red and your blue. All right, red and blue. I'm going to park them. You can park yours. Nothing in your hands. It says use a red crayon To color the row with the fewest. Ooh, what does fewest mean? What is the fewest? That means the least, the smallest amount. 4, 3, or 8. Who is the smallest? 3, the circles. It says color the row with the fewest with your red. Take your red. We're going to color these 3 squares with your red. If you just want to color the 3 circles, fine. You can do it either way. So these 3 get colored red. Don't work ahead with your blue. You don't know what I'm going to say, so just park it when you're done and wait for the next direction. Park it. Then it says use a blue crayon to color the row with the most. Ooh, who has the most? Yeah, look at the squares just keep on going. They're way out here, and the other 2 are short. You can color each little square if you want. I'm just going to color all the way across. Now's when you can color all the way across. Not up here, but down here. Go for it. But if it's too hard for you and you go sloppy, then maybe just color slow, okay? Still want you to do a neat job with this. You see how I'm staying in the lines? Still want you to be neat and careful. Okay. All right, when you're done, you can put your crayons away. And then ask your grown-up to take a picture of this and post it in the blue math folder. And you did a great job with your work, my sweets. So thank you. Make sure some of you I can tell that you're watching my video, but you're forgetting to do the 10s and 1s. Please make sure you write that at the top, okay? You did great. I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.